Laundry, laundry, laundry. It's just dreadful. We all hate to do it, yet we all have to do it. You spend hours of time and energy carrying those heavy clothes to your inconveniently located washer and dryer, coming back to switch the load over and start a new wash, and then after all that, you still have to fold or hang every last piece of your mountain of clean clothes. Isn't it insane that the way we do laundry virtually hasn't changed since the 1950s? That's 70 years ago. That's when color TVs were invented. Cars look like this, and phones look like this. Yikes! Almost all technology has evolved to mind-boggling levels, but somehow we're still doing laundry the same old, inefficient way. That's why we created Eeva, the compact, portable 2-in-1 washer and dryer that replaces your laundry hamper so your dirty clothes never pile up. Say what? Yep, thanks to Eeva's autonomous cycle technology. Just throw in your dirty daily outfit at the end of the day and pull out clean, dry clothes. That's right, with Eeva, you never have to 1. Spend foolish amounts of time on laundry, 2. Switch clothes from the washer to the dryer, or 3. Waste unbelievable amounts of water, energy, and money. Ever again. Though Eeva is designed for daily use, it's still more sustainable and cost-efficient than using a traditional washer and dryer. Standard machines suck for both the environment and your energy bill, producing harmful amounts of CO2 and wasting tons of water and electricity every month. But Eeva was purposely designed to be convenient and environmentally friendly. Speaking of convenience, Eeva can be used with or without a water hookup, so you can literally use it anywhere, like the bathroom, the closet, your RV, your bedroom, your studio apartment, even your kid's room or nursery. We created Eeva because we were tired of laundry being time-consuming, overwhelming, expensive, inconvenient, frustrating, bad for the planet, and simply outdated. That's why. That's Eeva. Back our campaign today to get your very own Eeva and help us revolutionize the way the world does laundry. Eeva, the future of laundry.